Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing texture when you export your character from Blender to AccuRig. Then after that we rig the character and export it back into Blender with no missing textures. So let's begin. So here you see, I export my character as FBS. I have embedded the texture, then imported to AccuRig bat. Still the textures found missing or load. To fix this problem, let's go back to Blender again. We have to save our Blender scene. Go to File and save the scene. I have already saved it, but I'm going to save it again. So save as and then save it at the folder. You're going to export your FBS file in. So I'm going to save it in this folder. So in this folder you see. So I saved it in the ragged folder. But make sure that you go to File. Select all. Your character and then go to File. And then External Data. Make sure you unpack Resources. And then choose Use File List in Current Directory. Now you see that our textures has been exported to that folder. The Rigit folder. Now let's save it again. So now I'm going to export it to AccuRig again. And see, so select your character and go to Esports as FBS. So now I'm going name it AccuRig2. Now make sure copy and embed texture is checking. And export it again. Now let's go back to So selected. Now you see that the texture has been in load very well. So now you can continue to rig your character. So this one is supposed to be at the neck. We have to use to the right hand side and our finger is 5. So here 1 to 3 for 5. So you choose 5 and then go to Nest. So now let's align the point. Now click on Finalize Character. Now you see our character has been rigged. Let's check the body. So now it's cool. Going to export it. So click on Export. Then Export FPS. Choose Blender as your target application. Then check Embed Texture and Export. Here I named AccuRig3 as my name, then save it. In Blender we are going to use the CC character add-in. It is free, you can get it from GitHub. Go to the sidebar, Import Rig. Then select your rig. The textures has import correctly. Now you can select your bone and Halloween pumpkin lantern night. So now the rig has been generated with no errors. So go to post mode. So guys, this is the end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. I'm begging you please guys.